Aaptiv Honest Review. Watch before using. In today's review, we'll dive into Aaptiv, a popular fitness app that offers audio-based workout classes. If you're tired of having to look at a screen while exercising and prefer a more guided, immersive experience, Aaptiv might be the right fit for you. The app provides a wide range of workouts, from running and cycling to yoga, strength training, and even meditation. It's designed for users of all fitness levels, whether you're a beginner looking for light cardio or an experienced athlete pushing for more intense sessions. Aaptiv stands out with its audio-based workout format, meaning you don't need to follow along with a video, which can be a relief if you don't want to stare at your phone while working out. The trainers provide clear instructions and motivational cues to keep you on track, with music tailored to the workout's intensity. With over 2,500 on-demand classes available, you'll never run out of workout options. There are also new classes added regularly to keep the content fresh. One of the best features is the ability to filter workouts by difficulty, duration, and type, making it easy to find what suits your schedule and goals. Aaptiv also offers personalized plans, which adapt as you progress. Whether you're training for a race or just trying to stay active, the app can adjust to your needs. Additionally, Aaptiv tracks your progress and provides a detailed overview of your workouts, which helps you stay accountable. However, Aaptiv isn't perfect. The biggest downside is the lack of a free version. You'll need to pay for a subscription to access all the content. While the app offers a 7-day free trial, some users might find the monthly subscription a bit costly, especially when compared to other fitness apps that offer more comprehensive features at a lower price. Another issue is that the app's audio-based format might not be for everyone. Some users prefer having a visual element in their workouts, and Aaptiv's reliance on audio may not suit those who like to see exercises demonstrated. Overall, Aaptiv is a great option if you're someone who loves listening to trainers motivate you through a workout without the distraction of a video. If you're looking for flexibility, great variety, and an immersive audio workout experience, Aaptiv could be a great fit. Just make sure you're comfortable with the subscription cost and the audio format before committing.